In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money on Clickbank using free TikTok traffic. Alright, so if you are interested in making money online, making money on Clickbank using free traffic strategy, stay tuned until the end of the video because this is going to be a banger. Alright, so if you don't know what Clickbank is a marketplace in which you promote other people's products for a certain commission. So most of the products on Clickbank are digital products, which means you need to produce them once and after that you can sell them multiple times. All right, so you don't have to pay any product cost or something like that after you produce them. So they are going to give you a higher percentage of commission, up to 75%. All right, so in other affiliate programs, like if you promote a product on Amazon, that product is a physical product. All right, so if that product uh, in order to produce that product, you need to have a raw material every time. For example, if you sell a guitar, you are going to get only 5% up to a maximum of 10% commission, which is really, really low. So you don't have to promote Amazon products. You have to promote a product that will give you a higher amount of commission. So that's why I like Clickbank. So Clickbank's products are digital products and they give you a higher amount of commission. So in this case, we are going to promote Clickbank products with TikTok traffic, and we are going to choose a niche before we promote. So before that, let me show you a proof that I'm making money on Clickbank. And if we click on here, as you can see, in the past 30 days, over here, as you can see, in the past 30 days, yeah, if we scroll down, I have generated over $500, and this is not the main product that I'm promoting. All right, so I do Clickbank on the side, but the main program I promote is the link in the description. If you click on that link, that is a program that will pay you $2,000 commissions, 100% instant to your bank account or your Stripe account. So in that product, I have generated over $6,000 in just 1 week. All right, so that is just insane program, and if you want to check that out, you can click the link in the description. So we are not going to talk about that, but today we are going to talk about how you can promote Clickbank products, right? So what we have to do is we have to go to the marketplace, which is the affiliate marketplace of the Clickbank, and on there we have to choose the e-business and e-marketing, which is the make money online niche. All right, so that is the thing that I promote, and we scroll down, and for example, you might want to promote a product that pays you 75% commission. All right, that's why I like Clickbank, because they give you a higher amount of commission than other affiliate programs, because if you promote a physical product, like I told you, you are going to get a small amount of commission, so you don't want that. So for example, this product, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. All right, so this has a gravity score of 283. That means in the past 28 days, 283 affiliates have able to sell this program. All right, so it gives you $30 per conversion. So what you have to do is just click on promote, and after that create a hop link, and you just have to copy that. All right, so this is your hop link. When you promote this hop link, you are going to generate money. All right, so you have to send it to people. When that person clicks on your link and when they purchase it, you are going to get a $30 commission. So that's what we are going to do. But first, the main thing that most people are struggling with is driving traffic. That means people into this link. All right, so how do you get that traffic? So that's when it comes to TikTok. But as you can see, there are a lot of products. The main product that I like on Clickbank is called the ClickWell system. It pays you $16 per conversion because the front end is only $9, but when you get upsells, you will earn up to $250 per sale. So if you want to promote this offer, you have to click on promote, and you can generate a hop link. All right, so you can copy that, and you can shorten the link using bit.ly or tinyurl. And after that, what you have to do is create a TikTok account. So I'm going to show you an example page that is doing exactly what I'm saying. And if we go to TikTok, this guy, Adam in Free, is promoting a make money online offer. So as you can see, this person has 72,000 followers, and he have generated a lot of videos, not that many, but he generated over, mostly on average, 5,000 views per video, which is very, very huge. And yeah, as you can see over here, 26,000. And if we scroll down, we might get even crazy number of views, because as you can see over here, 256,000. Imagine how much money he had make from this video, because when he makes the video and he talks about make money online strategies, he will send you to his bio. All right, so on his bio, if we scroll up, you will see that there is a link over here. So if you click on that link, uh, you will be redirected to this offer. All right, so he is a 7-figure blogger and YouTuber, and he promotes an offer. All right, so this is his uh, free blogging masterclass, and over here his YouTube channel. Okay, so in his YouTube channel he promotes his program and so on. His masterclass costs you, I don't know the price, but when you join his masterclass, it is free first, but it's like a webinar, and when you purchase that program, he's going to make money. So that's what you are going to do. So since you are getting started, what you have to do is you shorten your link and you paste your link in here. But first, in order to put your link on TikTok on your bio, you need to have 1,000 followers. All right, so what you have to do is generate content. Since the TikTok algorithm is very, very easy to blow up your videos, what you have to do is create high quality content first and upload some videos, and one of them will take off if you consistently post on your account. So it is pretty easy to generate 1,000 followers, and after that you can put your affiliate link over here. So if you want to promote a Clickbank offer, as I told you, you can click on promote and generate your hop link, and you can paste it on your TikTok bio. But what I recommend is promoting a high ticket offer. That means an offer that will pay you $1,000, $2,000 per commission. All right, so that is what I'm doing right now. And in the past 7 days, I have generated over $6,000 from only 3 sales. And I have uploaded a video about that. You can watch it on my YouTube channel. So what you have to do is click on the link in the description. You can watch that video. It will explain everything in detail. It has a 1 hour 30-minute free training that will explain everything in detail about the program. And after that, if you think that is for you, you can get started by investing money into it. All right, so it's not free, but the training is the 1 hour and 30-minute training is free for you, and there are a lot of testimonials over there. And if you are interested on that, just click the link in the description, and I'll put it also in the comment section. With that being said, I hope you found value in this video. If you find value in this video, don't forget to smash the like button and turn subscribe to the channel. All right, so if you have any questions, put them on the comment section. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.